we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Hey, I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Nespresso Lattissima Pro. Both seem pretty high-end, but I'm not sure which one to go for.
Oh yeah, I've looked at both of those too. The Philips seems to be a bean-to-cup machine, right?
Exactly. It uses fresh beans and has a ceramic grinder with 12 adjustable levels. They say the grinders are good for 20,000 cups.
Nice! The Nespresso, on the other hand, uses capsules. So, no grinding involved. Some people prefer the convenience.
True, but does that impact the taste? The Philips boasts an aroma extract system that keeps the water temperature between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius for optimal flavor.
The Nespresso uses a 19-bar pressure system to extract flavor from the capsules. Customers say it makes really good espresso, cappuccinos, and macchiatos.
Okay, good to know. What about the milk frothing? The Philips has this LatteGo system, which they claim is super easy to clean, only 2 parts and no tubes.
The Lattissima Pro has DeLonghi's automatic cappuccino system. The milk carafe is detachable for easy refrigeration and is dishwasher safe.
Convenience is key for me. The Philips lets you put the LatteGo drip tray and coffee ground container in the dishwasher.
The Lattissima Pro has a touchscreen interface, which is kind of cool. It also tells you what to do next, like when to clean the milk frother.
Interesting. And what about customization? The Philips has a coffee customizer where you can adjust the intensity, coffee, and milk length. It even has an extra shot function.
With the Nespresso, you are pretty much stuck with the capsule offerings from Nespresso.
Right. Size-wise, the Philips is a bit bigger, at 15 DX 10 inches, WX 17H, and weighs 18.58 pounds.
The Nespresso is more compact, at 7.63, DX 13.07, WX 10.79H, and weighs 12.6 pounds.
Price is a factor too. The Philips is around $799, but it's a renewed model.
The Nespresso Lattissima Pro is more expensive at around $843.
Okay, this is helpful. It seems like the Philips offers more customization and uses fresh beans, while the Nespresso is all about convenience with its capsule system.
Yeah, it really comes down to whether you prioritize fresh beans and control over the brewing process, or ease of use and quick cleanup.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.